everyone. My name's Esker. I am grade 3, 8 years old. Today we're going to talk about the Battle of Stalingrad in Russia. In 1941, Germany was controlled by the Nazi Party. Before the invasion of Russia, the Nazis and the Russians were allies. But the Nazis betrayed Russia. The Nazis attacked Russia. They almost got Moscow. Soon when they were in the gates of Moscow, it started to snow. Hitler did not give supplies for his soldiers, so then they were pushed back. They waited until summer and then attacked. Hitler's new plan was to flank the Caucasus. They attacked Stalingrad so they could control the oil field. The Russians were losing. The Russians got more forces and surrounded the Nazi soldiers. They had to surrender. 5,000 Nazi soldiers escaped and 110,000 soldiers were put to prison. They were pushed back all the way to Berlin, and Germany surrendered and Hitler killed himself. Thanks for watching. This has been an Esker production.
Today we're going to do Coke and Mentos. If you put the Coke in the Mentos,
Now you put the Mentos.
it will go up and go boom.
Why?
Sugar inside the Coke that will make it
Will react to.
will react to for it to go up and go boom.
Okay, ready?
Hi, my name is Savio Cordero. I will recite the poem Trees by Joyce Kilmer. I think that I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth, sweet flowing breast. A tree that looks at God all day and lifts her leafy arms to pray. A tree that may in summer wear a nest of robins in her hair, upon whose bosom snow has slain, who intimately lives with rain. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree.
My name is Rohan. Today I will show you how to draw a squirrel and tell you some facts about it.
Pascu, and today we're going to be learning the types of triangles. This is the equilateral triangle. This triangle has 3 equal sides. This is the isosceles triangle. This triangle has 2 equal sides. This is the scalene triangle. This triangle has no equal sides. This is the right triangle. This triangle has one right angle, an angle that is 90 degrees. This is the acute triangle. This triangle has one acute angle, an angle that is less than 90 degrees. This is the obtuse triangle. This triangle has one obtuse angle, an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Earl. Today I will show you how to do dynamic division using online stamp game. My equation is 721 divided by 3. The dividend is 721 and it will be represented by the stamps, while our 3 is the divisor, which will be represented by the skittles. I have already set up 3 skittles on the left part of the screen. They should be placed horizontally and should have spaces in between. I have also already prepared stamps on the right part of the screen. I have 700 stamps, 2 10 stamps, and 1 unit stamp. We share the stamps to skittles starting from the highest place value, which is the hundreds place. We have one leftover 100 stamp and we can't share this to the 3 skittles, so we will need to exchange it for 10 stamps. Now we share the 10s. We have 1 unit stamp left over and we cannot share this to the skittles. So, this will be our remainder. To answer a division problem, we need to count how much stamp each skittle gets. Therefore, the answer is 240 remainder 1. Thank you for listening. That is all for today. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Damien. Today I will show you how to subtract fractions with the same denominator using fraction circles. My equation is 7/10 minus 4/10. To answer this, we will have to set up the first fraction, which is the 7/10. This is the minuend. Now we are ready to subtract the subtrahead, which is the 4/10. Now we can count all of the fractions left. 1, 2, 3. So 7/10 minus 4/10 is 3/10. Thanks for watching.
Bye, everybody.
Hi, I'm Lila.
And I'm Diane.
And we will be doing North America.
North America is a continent that is bounded by the Pacific Ocean on the west, the Atlantic Ocean on the east, and the Arctic Ocean on the north. The south is South America.
We will include the region of Central America in the continent of North America.
There are 37 countries in North America. There are United States, Greenland, Canada, Mexico, Cuba, Panama, Jamaica, Haiti, Guatemala, Costa Rica, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Honduras, Bahamas, Barbados, Grenada, Belize, Martinique, Cayman Islands, Dominica, Saint Barthélemy, Nicaragua, El Salvador, U.S. Virgin, Saint Martin, Antigua and Barbuda, British Virgin Islands, Saint Pierre, Saint Lucia, Turks and Caicos Islands, Guadeloupe, Anguilla, Saint Kitts, Nevis, Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, Saint Martin, Montserrat.
Deer. A deer will eat grass, leaves, and shoots of trees and plants, sometimes berries and fruit. White-tailed deer are common in South America and southern Canada. A deer's predators are humans, gray wolves, mountain lions, coyotes, bears, and jaguars. Wolves. The gray wolves live in the United States. Wolves normally eat hooved animals like moose, elk, deer, and bison. They also eat beavers, hares, and rodents. The wolf's predators are bears, tigers, scavengers, and humans. Red foxes. Red foxes can be found through Alaska to Florida. Red foxes eat rodents, rabbits, birds, fruit, vegetables, fish, frogs, and worms. Red foxes' predators are eagles, coyotes, bears, wolves, mountain lions, and humans. Turkey. You can only find wild turkeys in South America and North America. Turkeys eat leaves, grass, fruit, berries, insects, and acorns. The turkey's predators are snakes, skunks, crows, ravens, possums, raccoons, rodents, dogs, and coyotes. Brown bears. You can find brown bears in North America, Europe, Asia, coastal British and Columbia, and Alaska. Brown bears eat fish, plants, and berries. Brown bears' predators are other bears, tigers, humans, mountain lions, wolves, and tigers.
Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls. They are American Falls, Bridalveil Falls, and Horseshoe Falls. They are located in the USA and Canada on the border. Niagara Falls is cool because there's a lot of water flowing very fast and falling down a long, long way. Chichen Itza is located on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Chichen Itza is cool because at the spring and autumn equinox, the sun creates shadows that look like a snake crawling down the pyramid. Statue of Liberty is located in New York. Statue of Liberty is cool because in the past it was used as a lighthouse. At night time, the light from the Statue of Liberty helps to show the way. The Panama Canal connects the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. The Panama Canal is cool because there were 40,000 people from more than 50 countries working to build it. The Arches National Park is located in Moab, Utah. The Arches National Park is amazing because it's a peaceful place and a lot of arches rock.